Assalamu alaikum everyone. Are you tired of unexpected AWS bills eating your budget? Today we'll show you how to waive off your AWS bill in the free tier. Now let's dive into our AWS dashboard. As you can see, my bill has already reached at $30. Now to resolve this issue, let's head over to the AWS Support dashboard and file a case. Let's create a case. To do this, follow these steps. Here select account and billing, choose billing, then here dispute a charge, then click on the next. Here we'll write the subject, then the description. I will provide you this description text in the video description. You can copy that and paste into your application. Here mention the name of service which is consuming your budget, then the total amount, and in my case it's $29, and then I will mention the time and it's 1 month. Now click next, and on this page I will choose contact us. Now let's enter our contact information, and AWS will use this to reach out to us, clarify any queries, and then waive off the bill. Now you have to click on the submit button and your bill will be waived off. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.